Okay, everyone, it's Monday, November 26th, and I have to apologize if my voice sounds a little weak. I've actually been shooting video all day. It's a quick start video which hopefully will fill in some of the blanks, if you will, over the last several months of listening to feedback about the kit and feedback about the course. I think this is going to go a long way to getting people up and trading very, very quickly. So I'm going to get it finished tomorrow. I'll have it tested out with a small group of the crew, and then once we iron out most of the bugs, we'll get it out to everybody. Right now we're looking at the hourly on the British pound, and this has been a little bit of a strange trading session. You can see that there was a triangle pattern which started to form, but it wound up sticking to this very, very steep angle over here, and has since run into a little bit of resistance in this 700 level, which does run across. As we zoom out a little bit, you can see that there's just a little bit of resistance in this area. The market tried to penetrate up here back on the 12th and the 13th, and then this area, just above this area rather, acted as support early in the month. So there's really not a whole lot to do at this point. We're going to have to wait until a cleaner pattern emerges. Anytime you see the market trading into a triangle or a pennant pattern and it goes well into the apex or the pinch right here, there's just no momentum. Really, you should see the market going from one end to the other like this, and then finally break out in one direction or the other. But since the momentum has pretty much died off, my sneaking suspicion is that because of the massive amount of volatility here, you have to remember that the market took off to the downside, 600 and some odd pips. I don't even remember what it is, high to low. 830? Let's see, 793 points to the downside. This is going to take some time for the market to digest. Looking for, let's see, right about there. Let me put the trading lane on. Right about there. That's what I'm anticipating. This lane should be a fairly decent way, there we go, to capture some profits. You can see a lower end of support right in here, upper end of resistance. Most trading lanes do divide into these three distinct sections where you'll have a middle area, a fairly wide area, and then two smaller zones at the top. This is very, very typical. So right now this is stuck pretty much in the middle. I'd be looking to trade this thing up near the top, which is to the short side at about 2.0813. And then on the bottom side down here, boy, it's going to be hard to say. Probably right around this area here, 613. So about 200 points, 2.0813 on the top, 2.0613 on the bottom, before I'd really be looking to take any kind of counter trend trades on this thing. So again, keep your powder dry, and let's just wait for the patterns to set up.